It's never easy to come to this conclusion, to bring a painting back to the easel and fix maybe a flaw that is kind of nagging you. But this is called Escape the Ruse Liantari. If you follow this channel, you know that I did a time lapse on this 3.5, maybe 4 months ago. After stepping away from it, not staring at it day after day, some of that proportional blindness starts to go away and the flaws begin to stand out. And in this particular case, his face just bothers me. Now, I do believe that flaws can bring character to a painting, a song, a screenplay, all of that. You gotta know when to walk away, right? But it just didn't come off looking natural. It looks rigid, and I thought it would look kind of heroic, but it just looks like he's kind of staring off into space. I don't like the goggles that I put on him. They look like ski goggles. This is more of a steampunky type painting, so I want to put those types of goggles on him. And I want him looking off to the side so that it kind of has this arching flow, which right now it doesn't. He just looks stiff and rigid, and I hate it. So we're gonna fix that. Some of you might think it's perfectly fine the way it is, but really I think it's gonna make it look much better. Okay, I wasn't completely honest at the beginning of this video. It's easier to bring a painting back to the easel than it is to stare at a blank canvas with a big project looming in front of you, or looking at the footage that I just shot from one of these painting sessions and thinking, okay, so what story can I tell so that they don't just jump to the end of the video? Should I be more instructive and maybe talk about the paints I'm using, the brushes, or my time management or lack of it? Or should I talk maybe about my self-doubt associated with leaving a practical job to become a full-time artist? Or maybe I'll share my feelings, right? Be more relatable. That's kind of hard for me, really. It is. To share my feelings of loneliness, depression, overthinking, all of that dopey right brain shit that comes with being an artist. I don't know. I could just make videos about making art videos, or build a YouTube channel about building successful YouTube channels. That seems to be a lucrative business model for a lot of creators. And I see this 50 ways to sell your art, or how to grow from zero, because I'm a 23-year-old art marketing pro. Never sold a piece of art, but my videos are calm and cozy. So whatever. Personally, these are accountability videos to help me stay consistent, and I just want to share my experiences with you. And if you get something from it, cool. I couldn't ask for anything more. But nobody can lay out really detailed information with a plan that's step by step, all of that, because you're a unique person with unique challenges, and life is unpredictable. And one snag in this detailed plan, and you've got an excuse to overthink and put your brain in the freezer. The man speaks from experience, people. So I'm just going to offer 3 steps. It's really basic. Do the daily actions that get the artist to the goal, and there is a list that I check off each day. Let the mistakes reveal themselves over time, like I did here. Fix those mistakes like I'm doing here, and then go back to 1. Do the daily actions that get the artist to the goal. It's just cyclical like that. Wash, rinse, and repeat. Could it be so easy? Or do I need 20 more how-to, step-by-step, 7 reasons why videos with some Gen Z flashing those fat stacks in front of his Lambo, offering a free 20-minute millionaire marketing course just by going to his website? Think of all the time and money I could save knowing those .com secrets and getting that golden ticket of knowledge, that guaranteed outcome. I'll get to the painting eventually. I'm learning new stuff. Gotta self-improve. I'm self-improving. What are you against self-improvement? Or maybe I could just improve the painting I thought I finished 5 months ago, because that's the daily action that gets this artist to the goal full time. I don't need 30 ways to make money with your art. I need to do what it takes to get me from here to the next point. That's it. 1 act at a time, 1 small change at a time, like this one. Is it improvement or not? Let me know what you think. Talk to me and tell me what's keeping you from reaching your big goal. Maybe we can talk about it in a future video. And until then, that's about all I got, guys. Thanks for coming by, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.